Hello everybody. Today I have any solve problem regarding paper 4 mechanics M1 in October and November 2019. Actually this is number, if I'm not mistaken, this is number 6. Yeah. Uh, you can find it. Yes, this is two blocks. Yeah, mass one is 4 kilogram and mass two is 5 kilograms, and they have force pulling up 36 Newton. When tangent alpha is 7/24, find the question one is acceleration and the tension in the rope. And question 2 is if instantaneously velocity is 1 meter second minus 1 at the distance 0.65 meter, so we need to find the time. Okay, uh, directly we go to the solve this problem. Okay, when we know about tangent alpha is 7/24 and we get the sine and cos alpha, sine alpha is 7 divided by 25 and cos alpha is 24 divided by 25, because if the triangle like this one, this is tangent in is 7 divided by 24, it's also here is 25. So sine equal to 7 divided by 24 and cos alpha is 24 divided, sin alpha is 7 divided by 25 and cos alpha is 24 divided by 25. Okay, now we draw about the force acting on this object. We have mass here, so we get this is mg 4 kilogram. Let's say this is the gravitational acceleration is 10, we get 40 Newton. Then if we draw it on the let's say this is x axis and this is y axis. Yeah, in this y axis, on the y axis negative, we get this is 4 cos alpha, and then here is 40 sine alpha. So, and then also we have normal contacts here. Then we have tension drop here, T and T. This is T on the left side is the act on the 4 kilogram, and the right one is the act on the mass 5 kilograms. And then about mass 2 we have 50 Newton, and also we have this is and also this is 5 cos alpha, and here is 50 sine alpha, and then tension drop here 36 Newton. Okay, on the x direction we have 36 Newton, and then T, and then 50 sine alpha, and then we have T also, and then we have 40 sine alpha. Okay, now if we want to find the acceleration on the system, so we can use the formula of Newton's second law. The total force equals to ma. Yeah, with the force is 36 minus 50 sine alpha minus t plus t, and then minus 40 sine alpha, and then mass is additional by 2 mass 4 and 5, this is 9a. So we get this is 36 minus 50 sine is 25, so 50 divided by 2, this is 14, minus t plus t equal to 0, 14 sine alpha, here is 40 sine alpha is 27, 25, then equals to 9a. So if we calculate this number, so we get 36 minus 14, and then 22, 4 times 40 times 7 divided by 25. Yes, 22 minus, it's become 10.8 and 9a, and then we get a equals to divided by 9. Yes, 1.2 meter second minus 2. This is the acceleration of the system. So what about the tension drop? The tension drop, we will use also this formula. Yeah, if we look in this object on the 4 kilograms, yeah, they have tension minus 40 sine alpha, and then sine 7 divided by 25 equals to 4a. A is 1.2. So if we calculate this, 40 times 7 divided by 25, this is 11.2, and this is 4.8. So we get tension drop equals to 11.2 plus 4.8. This is equal to 16 Newton. Yeah. The tension drop is 16 Newton. Yeah. We come from here. So finally we get the answer for the question 1. The acceleration is 1.2 meter second minus 2, and then tension drop is 16 Newton. Okay, what about we calculate the question 2? If velocity is 1, then distance is 0.65 meter. Find the time taken. So let's say this is initial velocity, this is distance, and then we have about acceleration. So how about time? The time we can use the formula S equals to VO times T, or half A T square. Yes, we use, this is 1, yeah, 0.65 equals to VO is 1, this is equal to T, and then a half of this is equal to 0.6 T square. Yes, if we use the quadratic equation, we get 0.6 T square and plus T and minus 0.65 equal to 0. Okay, we can use the calculator to find it, and you can get T around take the positive time, not as the negative time, and then you can use the calculator in second. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. See on other video about the physics core or problem solving in physics or mathematics. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comments, or subscribe. Thank you.